Okay, to summarize our conversation today, I'm limiting myself not to talk more, although, I could talk more, but the goal was for this presentation to initiate possible collaboration, but mostly to introduce the HydroSal platform, HydroSal for hygiene, either HydroSal BKC, and the natural version of HydroSal natural antiseptic. I hope that you learned how what's unique about these technologies, how easy it is to formulate with. You practically add them at the last step at room temperature. They are very compatible and they are used at very low concentration. And the benefit is that they can extend the release, prolong the protection, okay, maybe for 6 hours or definitely for longer than whatever we used to have. And it can be used as an alternative to alcohol to protect the skin, alcohol and surfactants. Okay, so I would like to thank you for your collaboration, for listening to me. I wish you all good health, to stay healthy so we can survive the time. We, the Salvona team, is here to continue and support you. We thank you for listening. We thank to all our distributors, all our friends that help us to transfer the knowledge and share these ideas with the rest of the world. We are here to help, and Salvona is operating full time, although from home, but we are operating. The production is still moving forward. You can contact the office. I give you the number. You can also contact me. You can use my mobile phone or you can email me. I have now ability to get WeChat, WhatsApp, Viber, Line, Telegram, almost everything else. Everything in order to stay intact. Again, thank you very much and follow me on LinkedIn for future webinars. The next webinar on this week will be focused on technologies to protect the scalp of hair. So we are working simultaneously about hygiene, and we still continue to promote product for cosmetic skincare applications. Thank you very much.